Hello everyone. Welcome to CBSE Class 12 Python Libraries Part 2. In this video, we will be concentrating on random module. Some common random generator functions in this module are random off. This generates a floating point number between 0.0 and 1.0. Remember, the lower limit will be included, but the upper limit will not be included. Let us see how it works. First, we need to import the random module. Import random. Then we will print something using this random off function. So print random dot random off. See, it has generated a number between 0.0 and 1.0. Let us try again. Random dot random off. This time you get another number. Like this it works. Sometimes we may like to generate floating point number between two different numbers. Say between a number lower and upper. So for that, what we have to do, you have to multiply this random off function with the difference, that is the upper limit minus the lower limit, and add it with the lower limit. Let us see how it works. Once we have imported this random module, we can use all the functions under that. So print random dot random off star 5 plus 15. So the difference is 5, and the lower limit is 15. So this will generate a random number, that is a floating point number between 15 and 20. Let us try again the same command. Print random dot random off star 5 plus 15. So it again generates a floating point number between 15 and 20. Let's move on to the next function, uniform of a comma b. This also generates a floating point number in the range a and b. Here both upper limit and lower limit will be included. First see this, a less than or equal to n less than or equal to b if a is less than b. And see the next line, b less than or equal to n less than or equal to a if b less than a. So according to the values that are given by the user, the function will generate floating point numbers. Let us see how it works. Print random dot uniform of, just I am giving 12 comma 16. So it is generating a floating point number between 12 and 16. The a value is lesser than b. Let us try the other way. Print random dot uniform of 16 comma 12. So now I have given value a greater than value b. So then also it will generate a floating point number in the given range. The next function is rand range of a comma b. This function will generate an integer between a and b. Here also the lower limit will be included, but the upper limit will not be included. And this rand range can have another form with a step value. So if the step value is given by the user, it will generate an integer according to the step value given. If step value is not given, the default step value is 1. Let us see this also. Print random dot rand range of just 20 comma 30. So I don't give any step value here. So it has generated an integer. Let us repeat the command. Print random dot rand range of 20, 30. So this time it gives another integer within the given range. Let us try with step value. Print random dot rand range of 20, 30, 4. It is generating 28. So the meaning is 20. The first value will be taken as 20. The next possible value is 24. The next possible value is 28. The next possible value 32 will not be in this range. So between these two, any one value will get printed. Let us try another command. Print random dot rand range of. We will alter the step value here. 3. So it gives a value between the given range. The next function is rand int of a comma b. So this also will generate an integer in the range a to b. Both the limits will be included. Let us see how it works. Print random dot rand int of 10, 20. So this will give any value between the given range. Let us try once again with the same range. Rand int of 10, 20. That's it. Now we are going to see a program based on this. Just I am reading out the question. What possible output or outputs are expected to be displayed from the following code? Also find the maximum and minimum values that can be assigned to the variables from and to. Let's read the program. Import random, module is imported. AR equal to, it is a list. So how many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values are given. And the variable from equal to random dot rand int of 1, 3. 2 equal to random dot rand int of 2, 4. For k in range from, 2 plus 1, print AR of k, end is equal to hash. 4 possible outputs are listed here. Let us see how to execute this program. Let us first see the values that are possible for the two variables from and to. So I am writing here from, to, and in the range function if you see from, 2 plus 1. So the value generated for 2 will be added with 1. So let us have that as a separate column. Range of function and the values actually generated. So let us assume that from generates the value, that is this rand int function generates the value 1 for from. At the same time, this rand int generates 2 for the variable 2. And the next, so the range will be 1, 3. The values, possible values are 1, 2. Because in range function, the lower limit is included, but the upper limit is not included. Then next assumption, from has 1 and 2 has the value 3. So range will have 1, 4 and the values generated will be 1, 2, 3. Next assumption, from is 1 and 2 is 4. So the range will become 1, 5 and the values are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next assumption is from is 2 and 2 is 2. So this will have 2, 3. So no value will be generated. And here from is 2, 2 is 3. So range will have 2, 4. So the possible values 2, 3. Next from is 2, 2 is 4. So now it will be 2, 5. So the values 2, 3, 4. Next assumption is if from is 3 and 2 is 2, range will have 3, 3, no value will be generated. Here 2, 3, 2 will get generated. From is 3 and 2 is also 3. Here you get 3, 4. So the generated value 3. From is 3, 2 is 4. You get 3, 5. Possible values 3, 4. So now you see the options. In all the options, 3 values are given. So the remaining value generations can be wiped off. So this is not possible. The first 1, 2. So 2 values are not possible. 1, 2, 3. So this is possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values. Not possible. 1 value. No, not possible. Here also 2, 3. Not possible. 2, 3, 4. It is possible. Of course, this is not there. 1 value not possible. 2 values not possible. So these values actually indicate the position in the given list. So let me write the position in the given list for the elements. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 2 possibilities are there. 1, 2, 3. So let us take the numbers in the position 1, 2, 3, 30, 40, 50. Separated by hashes. So is there any option? Yes. So this output is possible. The next one is, take this 2, 3, 4. So see the values here 40, 50, 60. If you see the options, here 40, 50, 70 is given. So it is not possible. The other 2 options are also not possible. So the only possible output is option B. And another question is asked here to find the maximum and minimum values that can be assigned to the variables. For from, the minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 3. For 2, the minimum value is 2 and the maximum value is 4. Hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give a like and share it with your friends, and kindly subscribe our channel so that you will get the notification immediately whenever we upload a video. Thank you for watching.